Why aren't people buying your digital products? It might have nothing to do with your product and everything to do with your link in your bio. I know it sounds too simple, but I've seen people double their sales in a week just by changing this one thing. And today I'm going to walk you step by step through my bio link profit framework so that every person who clicks is more likely to buy. And a quick heads up before we dive in, if you want ready to sell products to put in your bio link, right now you can become a founding member of my Digital Goldmine PLR membership for just $10 a month. You'll get 5 to 7 brand new PLR products every single month. These are products that you can edit in Canva, upload to Etsy or your bio link, and start selling this week. I'll drop the link below so you can grab the special price before it's gone. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen and I help digital product sellers turn their social media profiles into 24/7 sales machines without spending hours on complicated funnels or running ads. Think of your bio link like the front door to your store. If it's messy, overwhelming, or unclear, people won't walk in. If it's clean, inviting, and tells them exactly what's inside, they're not just going to click, they're going to purchase. So let's get into my bio link profit framework. Step one is to stop sending people to a buffet of random links. If your bio looks like choose your own adventure with 15 buttons, your visitors will choose nothing. It's called choice paralysis. The more options you give, the harder it is for someone to make a decision. Step two is to feature one clear, benefit driven call to action. People don't want links, they want results. Your CTA should say exactly what they'll get and why they should care. So a bad CTA is just simply click here. A good one could say, download the 5 Canva templates that made me $10,000. The clear and more outcome focused, the higher your click-through rate. Step number 3 is to add a short headline above your link buttons. This is the micro copy most people skip. Before someone even sees your button, they should already know what's in it for them. So an example of this copy could be turn your Canva skills into $1,000 a month in the next 30 days. This single line is often the difference between someone clicking and someone scrolling past. And by the way, if you are stuck on what to sell, I put together a free guide with 500 plus profitable digital product ideas you can create and sell in any niche. It's the fastest way to figure out what to put in that link in bio and start making sales. I'll link it below so you can download it right after this video. Now, step number 4 is to use mock-up images to make your offer tangible. Digital products are invisible until you make them look real. So adding a mock-up creates trust. They can see what they're getting. It also triggers curiosity and increases conversions. And a tip for this is to use Canva Smart Mockups, or you can use a website called Placeit. You can show your planners, for example, on an iPad, or you can show your social media templates on a phone, or your guide as a printed book. This makes your digital products more tangible. Step number 5 is to optimize your bio for both cold and warm traffic. So your cold audience, the people that are first-time visitors, will convert better with a freebie. And your warm audience, the followers who already trust you, will convert better with a direct paid offer. So for Instagram or TikTok, your short form content, lead with your freebie for growth. And in your email list, send warm traffic directly to your paid product. That way, you're meeting people where they are in the buying journey. And step number 6 is to drive traffic to your link in bio consistently. A perfect link without traffic is like a billboard in the desert. You need to point people to it. So post at least one short form video per week promoting your freebie or your main product. Also mention it verbally in your videos and in your stories. The more you remind people, the more they will click. Your bio link is a micro funnel. In 3 seconds, people decide whether they want to click. That means your headline must promise a transformation. Your mockup must make it feel tangible. Your button must clearly say what they get. If all 3 work together, you get a link that doesn't just click, it actually gets customers. And if you're tired of posting and getting nothing but crickets, Fixing your bio link is one of the fastest ways to escape the frustration and actually start making consistent sales. Trust me, you don't need ads, you don't need 10-step funnels, just a bio that makes people want to click and buy. Now, if you like this video, you will love the next one. Click here and see the exact products that keep selling month after month. I'll see you there.